Hey y'all, welcome back to another recipe. Today I am making 4-cheese mac and cheese. Yes, all you need is 4 of your favorite cheeses and you're good to go. Without further ado, let's see how this mac and cheese turned out. To get started, guys, we're going to start by boiling the pasta. Now I am going to just boil it with salt and water, just regular typical. You can add oil to it, but I didn't. You can if you want to. So now once the water comes to a boil, I am going to pour in my elbow shaped pasta, just like that. Okay. Now I am using half a box of those regular small pasta box, so yeah. Give that a quick mix so it doesn't stick at the bottom of the pan. Then we're going to cover it and let it cook until it's al dente. Once it is done, make sure you pour some cold water to it just because you want to stop the cooking process. And then we're going to move on to seasoning and adding the cheese onto the pasta. Now, what I usually do is add some fresh ground black pepper. The fresher the ground black pepper is, the better your food will taste. I am also adding some garlic powder. Onion powder will go well as well, but I didn't have any. So now, or you can add whatever seasoning you like. Now I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning. And what else? What else I'm going to add? Although cheeses pretty much has salt, so I didn't really go for salt. I'm adding some sour cream. You cannot make mac and cheese without sour cream. Try it if you haven't. You will taste the difference as well. Now I am going to add a little bit of milk in there as well. I don't know what happened to that clip. I don't think I show you guys that clip. But anywho, I am going to add my 4 cheeses. The first cheese that I am going to add is the Colby Jack cheese. Now, like I said, you can use whatever cheese you like. Okay, so I transfer it to a bigger bowl because it was getting a little bit too much for that small bowl. So from there, I am going to finish adding the rest of the cheeses. Now, yes, I dimmed the light a little. It was too bright. You couldn't even read the cheese. Anywho, just add your cheese on there. Now I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. Okay, the measurement will be down below. And also don't forget to leave a comment down below of what you want to see me cook next. Okay, now I'm adding some sharp cheddar cheese in there. Now we're going to give that a quick mix just like so. Make sure everything is well combined. Now you can do it over a stove top. I don't know, I'm trying something new. I've never done it before like that. I'm like, let me give it a try and see. But I kind of regret it at the end. But still, it turned out perfect, but still I wish it was done on a stove top, or you know what I'm saying. So I added a little bit more sharp cheddar cheese, added a little bit of milk. I added more, but I lost that clip like I said. But the measurement for sure will be down below. Also, I added some Gouda cheese. Ooh, forgot to mention. Yes, I added some Gouda cheese in there as well. Mix that together, and then we're going to pour it into our baking dish. Now, if you want your mac and cheese to be extremely creamy, try to add a little bit less of the pasta and more of the cheese. It's whatever your preferences are, okay? Now, I'm adding a little bit more cheese in the middle. Then I am going to add the rest of the layer of the mac and cheese on top of it. Then add more cheese. It's all about the cheeses for this recipe. Now I am going to add the rest of the cheese on top. Now you can add as much as you want. If you want it to be extremely creamy on top, just go all out. But the measurement that I use will be down below for this recipe. This is about, I'll say about 10 serving, because mac and cheese is like a side for me. So about 10 serving of this measurement. Okay, this measurement will give you about 10 serving of the mac and cheese. Now once I am done adding all my cheeses, I am going in with a little bit of paprika just because it gives it a nice color at the end. We're going to bake it on 350 for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once it is done, this is what you have. It looks so cheesy, so good. Oh my gosh. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, don't forget to leave the comment down below. Let me know how you like this recipe. And if you're new here, do not leave the channel without subscribing, because I do bring different varieties of recipes here every other day. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell and leave me a comment down below, thumbs up the video for me, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Mwah. Yum.